Alright, let's talk smartwatches, specifically the Garmin Epix Gen 2, which might just be the best deal you'll find right now. I know Garmin just dropped their new Fenix 8 series, and yeah, they look cool with those AMOLED displays, but let's be real, they're pretty pricey. If you're like me and don't feel like dropping a small fortune on a smartwatch, the Garmin Epix Gen 2 Sapphire Edition is definitely worth a look. Right now, you can grab the Sapphire Edition on both Amazon and Garmin for $499. That's a crazy $400 off the original $899 price. Honestly, it's the lowest it's ever been, so you're not just getting a good deal, you're getting the best deal. The Epix 2 comes with a 1.3-inch AMOLED display, which looks amazing and stays on all the time. No tapping or shaking your wrist just to check the time. And that sapphire crystal lens, it's basically armor for your screen, keeping it scratch-free no matter what you're doing. Plus, this watch is loaded with multi-sport features. Whether you're running, hiking, swimming, or just hitting the gym, it's got you covered. So if you're into fitness or just love tracking your activities, this is a solid choice. It also comes packed with features like morning report, jet lag advisor, pulse ox, respiration tracking, sleep coach, nap detection, body battery energy monitoring, turn-by-turn navigation, ABC sensors, Garmin Pay, 32 gigs of storage for music and maps, and plenty more. Be sure to check out the full specs and features before placing your order. Sure, the Fenix 8 might be new and shiny, but if you're trying to stay under $500 without giving up premium features, the Garmin Epix Gen 2 Sapphire is the way to go. Check out the link in the description for more details on the deal. And if you like staying up to date on tech like this, hit subscribe and stick around for more. Peace out.